What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in again for another video. So, what are we about to do? Today, we are going to be cutting this shit out of the car. So literally we're about to cut all of this out. So I came up with this thing. I was thinking that I want to redo this. So I'm keeping the hoop and everything, but this other stuff, all this is coming out, and this is going to go back here on this because the floor is so thin and shit like that. I just want to move this stuff back. Not really looking forward to it, but it is what it is. I want to change it. I want to be happy or satisfied until I change it. So that's what we're about to get into. All right, so I need to get all this pushed back. There we go. We got some snakes, bro. We got some snakes right there. I'll be damn. Look at that. Now, if we look right here, we can see that the snake in its natural habitat. And you can see these bad boys. I'm not going to touch them because I don't want to get sick, you know. But yeah, we got some pretty cool snakes right here in their natural habitat. But yeah, anyways, since that's all out of the way, got the seat in. So yeah, I don't think I showed you guys that, but let's get the rest of this car cover off. I don't know. So as you can see, you got the seat. Bro, where these ants come from? Look at this, bro. I can't have nothing nice. Anyway, damn, this shit raggedy. But yeah, we got the seat bracket in and everything. I don't think that I put this up. I think I just posted it on I think I just posted this on Instagram. But yeah, seat's in. About to remove that and prop this door open and start cutting all this out. So yeah, let's go get some tools. So now all I need to do is prop that door open over there and we can get to cutting this stuff out. One thing, like I've been doing stuff all day and I really didn't want to like start this vlog this late, but it is what it is, you know. You just gotta roll with it. You know how like these days, like they've been rolling by like real fast, so you get up, you do a little something around the house, and the next thing you know, time to pass by. So I just removed the bolts out of the seat, and I need to get this out. I'm gonna need both hands. Look at the craftsmanship of that, of that seat bracket. Look at that. Like that joint legit. So yeah, now that this is out, let's get the hacking away, I guess. Well, I guess I'll sit you guys up on the steering wheel or something, mount you guys up here so y'all can see. So yeah, like I said, this is coming out. I'm taking all that out. We're scooting this back to here, and all this is gonna be pushed back. So I gotta cut all the stuff out of the trunk and all that shit. So I guess let's get into it. All right, y'all. Guess I can get this panel out right quick and continue cutting this out. I gotta do something to cut this out close to the floor. So, this sucks, y'all. Let's pull this panel out right here. Well, I can't get this panel out. So we're gonna have to do something different for the time being. This panel does not want to come out. So I guess I have to do it once I cut all this other stuff out. Alright, this piece is out. Now we gotta do is cut. I'm gonna try to cut close as I can to the shape of this, so I can just set this right on here.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
All right, so yeah, we did it, y'all. We are there. That gets us off of this thin ass floor and gets us on something solid. I don't know, it's gonna take a lot of grinding. I'm gonna have to try to cut that out, cut that piece down. I gotta remove these pieces and figure out something to do back here. I need to get my grinder, clean this up, clean that up, weld that in place, and then I'll figure out something to do with this later on, I guess. For the most part, this is out. Gotta sneeze.
Coronavirus!
This was a waste of bars, but hey, not everything is how you want it, I guess. It was how I wanted it at first, but yeah, we'll just add to the pile. So now, clean this up and get ready to weld that in place. All right, so we got the old handy dandy grinder there. Oh, guess we have to push this off and clean this up. So I just need to eagle these up on both sides and weld the hell in there. Yeah. Alright, so I got the welder all hooked up and everything. Them wells looking bonito, boy. Check out the wells though. Oh, oh, damn, son. Where you learn how to weld like that? Yeah. Yeah, now. Now we just gotta do something with the back. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and cut that right there. I'm just gonna cut that joint out and be done with it. Yeah. Now look at all this shit. Bro, the G looks sad, man. That joint look downright sad. Like, We ain't liking much, but it looks like a lot because there's wires hanging everywhere. But I literally got the stuff in my cart to finish the car up. But you know, just when you got bills and other stuff going on, you have to slow down, you know. Gang gang. I gotta say this. For some reason, I don't know what it is. I don't know if rats have been in this giant, man, making love. I don't know if them giants been in here, man, like clubbing it up or whatever. But it smells like dragonfly lungs in this giant. It smells like turtle knees in this giant. Like, I don't know what's been going on, but it smelled like fucking sheep ankles in here. Like, I don't know what this smell is, but like they did that. I don't know what's going on, but it's stinking in this giant. It smells like leopard lungs in here. But damn. So yeah, we're gonna cut these out, and put the seat back in and go from there, I guess. All right, picking back up where we left off. My neighbor just left. She was thinking, you know, a real player for, you know, holding it down while they was out of town, you know what I'm saying? I had that blicky, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I was holding it down for him. I was holding it down. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do anything else. It's getting dark out here and I hate doing stuff while it's dark. But all that's out of the way. All this is out of the way. I'm gonna have to redo the cover for this again, but for the most part we in there. These, I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do about the panels because this is so close. So I don't know if I need to like two-piece it or like cut it in the middle and try to slide it down in here or something. I don't know, but I really don't want to leave it like this because then I would have to paint all of this. So I'm lining this with bed liner and stuff, and like I said, I want to keep the panels on the side. We're gonna see what we can do with that. But y'all, my neighbors have been riding this motorcycle, and I swear to you, oh, he fell. He fell. That boy fell.
He needs some milk.
Ooh. That man out here riding in wet grass, y'all. This man been riding in wet grass, bro. Ignorant ass nigga. Like, God damn, boy, you done wrecked that hoe. You the one that done wrecked that hoe, man. So, got this cut out. Boom, 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 bada bing. I'm probably gonna put this stuff up. Probably gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna have to get this out, redraw this again. I'm gonna have to redraw this again. Hole's probably gonna have to be lower, but for the most part, we got all that stuff out. So, oh yeah, we need to put the seat back in. What's up, baby? You want to go for a ride in my drift car? Come on. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm about to pick everything up. I am hungry, but hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Janky Fabrications Instagram page, And yeah, like I said, guys, smash that like button. Comment down below. I tried to like reply to, you know, everybody in the comment section. So yeah, when we pick this up again, we'll be finishing the back half and probably putting the crossbar for the harness straps and making the other rails, the rails for the other seat. I took these out for the stock seat, so we'll be making that for that side and throwing the seat in the other side. And yeah, we'll progress with this build. Till next time, guys, we out. Now I almost forget. All right, y'all.